Teaching scientific and engineering practices? Toyota's Spark 101 STEM Skills video, evaluating manufacturing materials using engineering design, takes students behind the scenes at Toyota's Bodine aluminum casting plant in Jackson, Tennessee.
Through our partnership with Spark 101, we can encourage students to put these skills to use and discover their passions as they pursue high growth and rewarding STEM careers.
The video and educator resources spark imagination and critical thinking for students with varied levels of STEM skills. Through concepts like defining problems, analyzing and interpreting data, and designing solutions, students will understand the application of engineering in the automotive industry. Spark 101 is a free online teaching resource that helps bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world problems presented by industry professionals.
This collaboration helps Toyota to deepen our commitment to support the next generation of America's leaders in science, technology, engineering, and math.
Visit spark101.org to access this video and much more.